First things first, I appreciate your support. I hope you guys are good. So this is an AI washer, just done with the full bedding cycle. So I'll show you how to correctly remove clothes from your washing machine. The reason for that is you want to protect this door rubber seal. So once the machine is done with laundry, with the cycle, for the AI one, you'll hear an immediate double clicking sound here. It will open the door immediately because it's a fully automatic door switch. For other brands, even Samsung, we have those that don't have a fully automatic door switch. Give it 1 or 2 minutes. After it has said the end, there is a lock sign that will disappear here. If the lock sign is still engaged, don't open the door because you'll mess up the switch and this hook here. So you open the door and then you pick your clothes one by one, like that, one by one. Don't drag. If you do this, you'll mess up the door rubber seal. That happens a lot when you are doing towels, duvet and jeans, quite heavy garments. So what you need to do is just pick them one by one. Be patient, like that, one after the other. Simple. Like that. That way. So if you drag your clothes out, you'll have to replace this door rubber seal, which is quite expensive. Then I've seen a socks. I just got one, meaning one has disappeared already. Get a washing machine net. There's a bag for this, because if you don't, they come here. When spinning, they drop through this space here, and then they end up the drain area, and the machine won't drain. For Samsung, it will give you a 5C error code, so just be careful. Simple. And then we said once you're done with your laundry, pick a clean towel, just pass it around the door rubber seal, like that, so that you don't attract mold. You see this stains clothes. So once you're done, just pass it around and then leave the door open. Simple as that. Remember to like, subscribe and share. Love you guys, and I'm out.